the Lowrey class for April 4th. And this week we are doing MAMBO ITALIANO, book 74, page 46. Here's kind of our instructions. We're going to be looking for the Mambo rhythm under Latin 2. And we're going to go about 70-75, okay? So first of all, let's go over to Latin. Bing. And it's already on Latin 2. Latin has 2 pages, so if you don't find it on page 1, hit the next button and you have Latin 2. There's Mambo. And it's pretty fast, and we're going to take her down to 75. You can do it faster, slower, whatever you want. And so, let's see. Then we go to our normal presets. That takes all these lights off, takes all those lights off. Normal presets, make sure that's on, which it is. Then we go down to 4 button here, which shows us all the nice sounds that go along with this particular rhythm. I'm going to use octave saxes, which has a flute on the lower, so I can do octave saxes on the first, flute on the second verse, which sounds really good, trumpet, and octave piano. So, but now I want to bring these things all the way down to here so I can just have them one touch rather than have to go back to the screen and look around, find what I want to do. So in order to do that, we have to learn to save presets, okay? And how do we save presets? Well, we're going to, right now I'm on 0. How do you get a 0? That top one is a 0. That means none of these lights are on. Okay, that's 0. And then number 1 here is going to be vibes and so forth like that. But I want 0. Okay, and I'm going to memorize this. Make the big circle, memorize 2. Bank A, I just use Bank A, and you can use Bank A from now to here to Kingdom Come. And I'm going to set this on 0, but I want it on button number 1. And I want it with style, that's important. So now what do I have? Preset number A, 1, and with style, yes. First thing that I do is hit the memorize button. The last thing I do is hit the memorize button. Boom, there we go. Okay. But you see it hasn't changed anything, has it? That's because I have to go to Bank A now, okay? I have to recall Bank A, number 1. And voila, there it is. And I've already programmed the trumpet and octave piano in there the same way. Okay, that's how we save presets. Very easy. And that way I just go from one to the other. The other thing that's new here, we have a new member in the UK, Tony, and he has a symphony. It's his first Lowrey, I believe. So we're going to explain some of the Lowrey terminology here, okay? FX and smash. Those are going to be real important in this, Tony, and everyone else too. What's the FX? It's a rhythm fill. I like to use the left touch bar because it's just easy. It's right there. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4. If I hold the touch bar for 2 measures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So you can get fancy with that if you hold it for 2 measures. Okay. And then the smash button. Any 2 whites and a black. Any 2 whites and a black. And you have to bring it back in. Okay. So what we have here is an FX and a smash. You don't have to do them at the same time. You can come a little bit later with the smash. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. FX, smash. Okay, so it back in. FX, smash. Bring it back in. Okay, there you go. So now you got the whole program, and I think we'll move on to the video. See you there in a minute.